Hi guys, this is Mighty Mouse here with another video. Today I'm going to be painting with a watercolor and I'm going to create a bird. Just take your time, just watch me build up the color by getting it really light and later painting over it once it's dry with another coat. Watercolor takes time and patience to let it dry and then keep going on to make the colors darker. Make sure you go light in the beginning because if you go too dark, it's going to be a lot harder to make those lights that you really want to build up with your painting. Also, the way you move your brush is the way the watercolor is going to move. If you add a lot more water to it, try to move the water at the direction of how you want to create some texture. Like the wood here, I moved the paint sideways instead of going up and down to create some type of log effect. Yeah, just take your time. I'm no professional here. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment. Enjoy the time lapse of the video and yeah, just be patient.